Difference between affect versus effect. Affect is a verb which means to have an influence on or to make a change to something. For example, stress can affect your ability to concentrate.
That didn't just affect me, it affected her.
It doesn't affect you, but it affects me.
Ghost affected everyone.
Effect is a verb. It can also be used as a noun and it means a change which is a result or consequence of an action or other cause. For example, the new law had a significant effect on the economy.
No effect.
There is one serious side effect.
But the whole incident had some lasting effects.
Children can have that effect.
Here's a little quiz to test you. Your attitude will dash how successful you are. Let me know your answers in the comments below. Subscribe for more.